Quick Release makes it easy to remove your wheels. Here we learn the basics of using this system. The beauty of the QR system is you don't need any tools to use it. Unscrew the lock nut from the Quick Release skewer. Remove the outer spring and slide the skewer through the axle so the Quick Release handle is on the left-hand side of the bike. Replace the spring with the narrow end closest to the wheel. Lightly screw the lock nut back on and place the wheel axle into the fork slots. Check the wheel is centered. If you struggle getting the wheel in or out, you may need to disengage the brake. Be sure to re-engage the brakes once done. Open the Quick Release clamp and tighten the nut. Using your palm, close the lever so the wheel is secure. When closing the lever, you want to feel resistance at around 90 degrees. From there, squeeze hard until fully closed. Check the wheel is free from any wobble. If not, release the lever, tighten the nut, and repeat the process.